Hello my dear students. In this lesson we are start with lesson 5 industries. And here we will learn about the meaning of industry and kinds of industries. Then we will learn about the primary products, secondary products and the tertiary industry. Okay. And next we will learn about the importance of industries. So when we will start the lesson, first we should understand the meaning of industry. The word industry brings to mind image of large factories and mills. When we will hear the word industry, we will get an idea. First it will come in our mind the factories and mills. Large factories and mills. But industry, it also includes agriculture, fishing, lumbering, trade and in fact all forms of economic activity. And we can talk about the tourism industry and the mining industry just as we can talk about the iron and steel industry and the automobile industry. Industry is thus an organized activity whose aim is to produce or supply goods. Okay, what is the aim of the industry or what is an industry? Industry is an organized activity. Industry is an organized activity whose aim is to produce or supply goods. What is the aim of the industry? To produce or supply goods or to produce or provide services. The products that we directly get from nature. Example, timber, minerals, vegetables, milk and meat. That products or the things or the products that directly we will get from the nature, it is called the primary products. What is that? The things derived directly from nature, it is called the primary products. And the activities related with this lumbering, farming or mining to obtain a primary product is called primary industry. We learned about the primary products and we learned about the primary industry. Activities such as lumbering, farming, mining to obtain a primary product is called primary industry. And next we can see that what is a secondary products. When primary products are processed, they change into secondary products. Thus, this cotton is primary product, while yarn and fabric obtained by processing cotton are secondary products. All of you know that cotton for making clothes. Okay, so cotton is a primary product and the clothes, they are the secondary products. The process of primary products, the processing of primary products to produce secondary product is called secondary industry or manufacturing industry. What is secondary industry? The processing of primary products to produce secondary products. We can use primary products and we can make another products with that. Those kinds of industries are called secondary industry or manufacturing industry. And secondary industries includes sugar industry, textile industry, steel industry, oil refining and so on. And when we talk about industry, we usually mean secondary industry. When a primary product is processed into secondary product, its utility and value increase. Example, we can say milk. 1 liter milk we can use and directly we can drink it, and we can use that milk and we can product many other things. We can make curd, cheese, butter, whatever it is, isn't it? So the primary product, milk is the primary product, and when it is processed into a secondary product, its utility or its value, it will increase. For example, a jute bag is more useful and expensive than raw jute, isn't it? We can buy jute and we will get in a low price jute, that material, isn't it? But when we will get or when we will buy a jute bag, we have to pay more money because jute is a secondary product. Jute bag is the secondary product. Jute is the primary product. A jute bag is more useful and expensive than raw jute because of the addition in value. Secondary products are often called value added products. Secondary products is also called value added products. Besides primary and secondary products, there is another kind of industry called tertiary industry. Primary, secondary industry and tertiary industry also. But this this tertiary industry, it does not produce any goods. Instead, it provides services, bank, insurance, education, information, healthcare, entertainment, security, transportation, hospitality, and so on. Okay, these are the category of tertiary industry. It produces services. It provides services. And what is the importance of industry? Importance of industry. Industries are very useful and today they are an essential part of our lives. First one, most of the things we can use in daily life are products of some kinds of industry that includes many food items, clothes, means of transport, tools and machines, and many other useful things such as medicine, books, toys and so on. Thus industries make a good available for our use. They also provide useful services such as banking, education and health. So most of the products from the industry, it include many things. Without this we cannot live. Food item, clothes, means of transport, isn't it? And so second one, industries produce goods and services by using different resources as raw material. Thus they help in the proper utilization of resources. Industries, they are using, or industries produce goods and services by using different resources. So it will help in the proper utilization of the resources. Industries create job for people. All of you know that, very easy to understand, right? Industries create job. This help people increase their income, so that people, they will get money as their income or wages. It also helps them save money and increase their wealth. So industries help people become richer. Industries improve people standard of living. Industries improve people's standard of living. Many industries give people more goods and services and a wider variety of choose from. More industries also give people more money to buy the things they want. So more industries help people live a better and more comfortable life. And in some products of some industries is used for other industries. Example, the tools and machines produced by some industries are used in agriculture and other industries. Understood? The machines and tools are producing in one industry, and we can take that one from for agriculture and other industries. So industries improve agriculture and promote other industries. Some industries produce things that can be sold to other country. They help increase the country's wealth. Some industries produce war machines such as guns and tanks. These are used for defending the country, for war. We are using these kinds of things, war machines. Example, guns and tanks. These are the importance of industries. So in this lesson we learned about the aim of industry and the definition of industry, primary products, secondary products, then primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Then we learned about the importance of industry. Okay, hope that all of you understood up to here. If you have any doubt about any portion, you can ask through the comments. Thank you.